Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kitty. Also, if you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe down below and hit that notification bell off to the side so you can get notified when I make a new video. Subscribing is free, by the way. First of all, I'm so excited to tell you that by the time you are seeing this video, it is my birthday. It's my birthday, finally. I'm actually excited about my birthday. It's a new year, another year of so much learning, so much change. I'm a whole new person. But let's get going with this video, you guys, because I'm so excited to finally get this video out the way. Finally, I finally have the energy and the time to complete this video and get it done and uploaded. And now I can move on to all the other videos I've been waiting on. This video was holding me back because it was a long process. Like, I didn't have the time to do everything I had to do to get everything completed in this room. I do have a toddler and other things that I have going on and so on. So it's finally done and I can finally focus on my channel, on filming and uploading for you guys. So I'm super excited about that. Are you guys ready? Here we go. I just filmed a video of unboxing, two different videos. One is a Dollar Tree haul video and the other one is Amazon. But anyway, so you guys know this is my makeup section right here. This is where I sit and do my makeup. All of this I have to organize. I want to take a lot of the things out of there and just put everything in like those containers. Like everything in here is from like my DIYs and jewelry making and candle making and everything. Just all of my DIY stuff. Like here I have all my all natural things, and like these came from my rose bush and smells amazing. Oh, why isn't it focusing? Why are you doing this? Here, is that better? There we go. No, all right. It's not focusing, but you know, like I have my but yeah, all of this I need to organize here and in these totes. Oh, these are some of my soaps. Yeah, so my bling bling. I am so excited to get this room organized. And so yeah, a lot of it is, like I said, black and white. So yeah, that's my sewing machine down there. I did put that down there for now. I think that's where it's gonna stay unless I end up putting it in the closet instead. I don't know yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film myself doing this or not, or if I'm just gonna do it and surprise show you guys once it's done. We will find out. Stay tuned. So I'm having a little trouble trying to figure out where I'm gonna store all of these herbs. They are organic. Everything I buy is organic. Not that it matters to you guys, but there's something coming up soon that I will be talking about, and there's a reason why I brought up the fact that all of this is organic. But yeah, there's more empty jars here, and I have no idea where I'm going to store this at. So this is another reason why I've been taking long, look at my blue socks, with this room, because this is going to go in this corner here. And I was having trouble trying to figure out what I was going to put in that corner. And so I went and bought a bunch of canvases and just did some wild art. Alright guys, so there's the bucket that I used to clean that wall. So this is where these are going to go. So these are the left, these are the right. And then this right here is where I just got done doing all this. These are all bottles. I am not an alcoholic, or maybe I am, I don't know. But these are bottles I've been collecting for years. So I don't like to throw away glass, especially, and when it comes to plastic I recycle. But anyway, so these are all like food bottles and everything, glass jars. I'm gonna go over all of this in my next video. I'm gonna show you guys every single detail of everything that I have for all of my DIYs. And so that's gonna be it. This is all my crafts and jewelry and all that. All of this right here I have brought from different areas of the house. These are things like Kat's old, what do you call that, bassinet. All this stuff right here is things that I'm selling or donating. Same here, these are selling and donating. But yeah, all of this is gonna look completely different when I get done. So take a look. It's all gonna be different. OMG, I almost forgot to vlog after they've been up. Okay, so obviously we have just one more left. And what I did with these, I'm not gonna show you my hands because I need lotion. Anyways, right here on this one there was a hair on the white, so I used tweezers to remove the hair. And yeah, so this is where we're at so far. We just got one more and it's right here. Alright, so this is what you first see when you walk in through the door. And I think we're gonna start, no, let's start on this side of the room and then we'll finish on this side. So start, finish. So we're gonna walk around like that. Anyways, let's get going. Alright, so this is the door where we came in through. I haven't done anything on this side yet, but that's coming soon. But anyways, so the room, real quickly, I just want to mention the room theme is black and white and then gold and some silver. But there is going to be a little bit of pink and blue here and there. So this one, I've had this picture for a while. Let me just turn my lighting a little bit. All right, I've had this forever and I just thought, why not? I do like wine, so yeah, I thought that was cute. Now up here, oh, there's a random tag there. I'm still not done. I love this bag here. It says, and off she went to change the world. So I like to keep that there. And then this is a closet. We're not gonna get into all that. So the picture up there, my oldest daughter did. And then the penguin up there, it was technically me. And then it's like the mama penguin and it has the babies inside. That was before I had a cat and everything. So yeah, but I decided to keep that in here. I'm never letting go of that thing. Okay, so this is the makeup corner right here, as you guys can tell. And again, black and white theme with a little bit of gold. And the stickers on the mirror were my daughter. She did that and I just don't want to take them off because I miss her. So yeah, that's corner number one. Then you have the window with the black curtains. And again, let me move my lighting. So I kind of kept the space to separate the two corners. So again, makeup corner. Then over here we have my like arts and crafts. This one over here is more arts and crafts down there, but the goal is arts and crafts and then like all of my DIYs. So this is corner number 2. So arts and crafts / DIY / all my little projects. So yeah, I'm not gonna go over every single thing because I will bore you guys. But if you guys want me to go detail, like do a detail of like everything I have, like I like to recycle glass jars, as you guys can see, and I store things in them. But yeah, if you guys want a detailed like of how I store everything, just let me know. Up there is soap nuts, and I'm actually missing some. I have them in the laundry room. But here's like all my herbs and spices and everything I use to make like my DIYs. My sewing machine's down there. More glass bottles. My essential oils, soaps, soap bars to make soap, my African black soap, my Castile soap, and or soaps. And then these are carrier oils, so essential oils, carrier oils, body butters, and like clay. And yeah, why am I going over details again? I just said I wasn't gonna go over details. But yeah, this is my second corner. The third corner is my favorite. So I think I'm gonna leave that one for last. So let's move over to the fourth corner. So all right, so this section here is not really a corner, but it's like the fourth section. I have not decided, like basically storage. Those drawers are for like extra stuff. And this door here goes into a bathroom. So there is a bathroom connected to this studio, which I like. And I like the black and white, again, the mirror and the door. And then this is where you're gonna see some silver. Now, kind of like my theme, you guys are about to see what I mean. Like if you go over here, you know, like the guy, I purposely left the Galaxy Chic, I can't say it, Galaxy Chic, I don't know. I left this one out because like my theme is like, I love like the universe and all that, you know, so like black and white theme, the universe, stars, things like that. So that's why I left this up here. Oh, it's the wrong cap. I can't find the right cap, so it's like, yeah. But you see the point, the stars and so on. Now, as for this, and these were bowls from my wedding, and so, and the butterflies as well. So I decided to put those on there since it's kind of like, this is obviously old and reused and everything, and it's been passed down. So it's like got a lot of damage to it, so I'm kind of hiding that. Although there wasn't a lot of damage, but I just wanted to hide, you know, the very few. So this was also a bowl here, and I just put it in there to keep the whole white and gold also. So it's black, white, and gold, and some silver theme. So this is just gonna stay blank for now until I figure out if I want to put anything on here in the future. And now, my favorite part of the studio. Here we go. And ta-da! I know, to some of you, it's like, all right, no big deal. But to me, it's like I'm over here struggling with the lighting again, you guys. It's my little happy corner. Hold on, let me fix the lighting. I think I'm gonna try and show this part with daylight tomorrow. I'm gonna film this part where the room is bright so you can actually see everything better. But yeah, I'm so proud of this little corner here because number one, I am not creative at all. I am not creative at all. I'm gonna repeat that, in any type of way. I don't know, like I'm not good at decorating. I'm not good at, as you can tell, this is pretty amateur. But to me, it looks super cute. I don't know if I want to keep the whole polka dot theme. You guys can go ahead and leave me your thoughts in the comment. Should I leave the polka dots? I don't know. But as for the painting, obviously you can tell I did that. I just like pictures where it's just a whole mess, you know, like, I don't know, like, it's just, you just throw some art together. This one's my favorite, and this one's my favorite. And of course, the heart. This one is different. I really like that in this one too. But yeah, so from up close, it's just a whole mess. It's not that cute. But from far, I think they look really cute. So, oh, I forgot to turn this one on. See, so that one lights up, and it's, again, it's got like the gold trim to kind of go with the black and white with gold, like kind of like how some of the pictures are, black, white, and gold. And then this one here changes colors. And then I have some of my crystals here. I have this because it's, you know, the gold. And then my favorite plant, this is like my baby. And it's dusty. Oh my gosh. It's dusty. I gotta clean it. But yeah. So this is my favorite part. This is where I will be sitting down and filming every single time. Unless I'm doing a mukbang with Wesley or something, maybe we'll sit in this little corner here. But yeah, this is where you guys are gonna see me actually. Yeah, maybe not in this video. Not in the beginning, because I think I have to, that one I'm gonna film here because obviously I don't want to ruin the whole, like, my whole idea of my little happy corner. So yeah, from after this video forward, I will mostly be filming sitting right here. So I'm gonna bring my makeup chair over here, my little famous squeaky chair that you guys hear all the time in the background. I'm gonna put it here, and this will be my background. Oh, and I wanted you guys to get a vibe of, like, how pretty this looks at nighttime. I know it's hard to see. There we go. I had to have the camera adjust. So that's so cute, isn't it? It's a little vibe. I just realized my camera adjusts depending on where I'm aiming. But yeah, so it looks super cute in real life. Like, camera it doesn't do it justice. It's so cute in person. I said real life, I mean in person. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I finally finished my room or studio, whatever you want to call it, like 80%. So, and I say 80% because I have a lot of work to do. It's kind of basic right now. It's plain. And I just hit that with the lamp. With one of my lamps that I'm walking around the room with. These tall things here. These giant bulbs. Anyway, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this again in the bright daylight. But just in case I don't get a chance to record tomorrow, then I wanted to at least do this part. So what do you think? Did I do okay? I mean, for somebody that's not very creative, I'm not artistic, like I am not, I can't even decorate anything. Did I at least do decent, like, organize? I'm not even good at organizing, like, you guys. I surprised myself with this room. It really showed me what I'm capable of, but I know there's so much more that needs to be done and could be done. It could be so much better, but I think I did good. But yeah, I want to hear your thoughts, so leave it in the comments below. So that is it for this video. I want to thank each and every one of you guys who have continued to show your support for my channel, who continue to be here video after video. And to all of you that are new, again, don't forget to click the subscribe, like, share, leave comments. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Like, I am just so excited for this new journey, new beginning, and all the videos that are to come for this channel and for you guys. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Love you guys.